Welcome back to this week's Quick Tip 3-Minute Thursday. Today I'm going to give you one exercise that is absolutely going to take your walking to the next level. If you're new to this channel, I'm Tara, I'm a neurologic physical therapist, and one of the goals of this channel is to provide you with as many tools as possible to take full ownership of your rehab, your mobility, and your overall health. And today's quick tip is pelvic tilt. So why is this so important? Well, when we're bent over or we're hunched over and we're walking, it just makes walking less efficient. And for some of you, it actually causes pain. So how do we fix this kind of hunched over posture? One contributing factor, there's a few different reasons why you might walk like that, but one contributing factor is the inability to extend your lower back right here. A lot of you are pretty good if someone tells you to stand up tall, kind of using your hip muscles to throw yourself back. But this part right here is critical and comes from what we call a pelvic tilt. In this case, an anterior pelvic tilt. So a lot of you are in what we call a posterior pelvic tilt. And if that is you, getting to a more anterior pelvic tilt will allow you to stand up taller, and it does make your walking more efficient. So the first method that I like for those of you that are really flexed or really stuck in that posterior pelvic tilt is to put your elbows on something. By putting your elbows on something, it does give you a little bit of support and it'll make it a little bit easier for you to feel that anterior pelvic tilt. Now, I am using this little dome here. Love this thing. I will put a link for this in the description. If you're someone that just wants to work on just your core strength in general, this tool is absolutely fabulous. You can use it laying down, you can use it sitting up, but anyway, that's what we're using today. Link for this will be in the description below. So you're just gonna sit on that, elbows supported, and tilt forward. Now, the other reason I like a dome is that if you're someone where you're crunched up on one side, this will keep you honest because the dome is kind of multi-directionally unstable. So because it's on like a ball, so you do have to make sure, or it will kind of encourage you to pay attention to keeping your hips level in this direction too. So keeping them horizontal or parallel to the floor as you work that lumbar extension, this part right here, or what we call that anterior pelvic tilt. Okay, so try and keep your feet flat on the ground, elbows supported, and forward. Then once you get really good at that, you can try just putting your hands on your hips or putting your hands on your thighs and doing the same thing. Tilt forward, posterior pelvic tilt, tilt forward, posterior pelvic tilt. Now remember what I said, it is gonna keep you honest in this direction too. So if you're someone that's like this, you're gonna feel it because you're gonna feel the dome kind of tip to one side. So if that is you, really focus on keeping your hips horizontal or parallel to the floor as you tip as well. But that is it for this video. If you like the longer videos where I do deep dives on a lot of functional movements that people struggle with after a neurologic injury, definitely come back on Sunday. Also, make sure that you have subscribed and turn on your notification bell because then you will also get alerted when I post those videos. But that is it for today. I enjoyed spending time with y'all today and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.